This deep fat frying is very tasty, but it's very messy. Look at all that splashing. You end up with oil all over everything. Gotta do something about that. Hello and welcome to another adventure in the kitchen with Judd, otherwise known as Cooking with Judd. Tonight we are doing something new and special and different. We're gonna have sort of an unboxing and a first attempt, and you'll see how it works. I've just got home from Publix where I got some chicken. I couldn't get the green wise, they didn't have any green wise wings, so I got the regular Publix chicken wings. Got the salad as always. I got some of this Texas Pete wing sauce, extra mild, so us old wimpy men can eat it. And some Kraft chunky blue cheese, which my body doesn't really like, but all the other blue cheese I don't like. So it's worth it every now and then to enjoy my Kraft chunky blue cheese, which is the best commercial blue cheese I've ever had. The best blue cheese dressing I've ever had is at Hilltop Steakhouse in Boston, Saugus, up on Route 1 North. That stuff is to die for. It's incredible. So if you ever get a chance to get up there, they also have the best meat in the world. So there, we're starting with that. That's what we're going to cook up tonight. So we'll get to the unboxing. First thing is, this goes. Take it away. I'm going to stick it down here for a moment. And we bring up my new Farberware compact oilless fryer. I had to wait for the battery to charge up. I had a dead battery. This camera is very fussy with batteries. So I took a swim and now we're back and to review cooking in oil, deep fat frying, whatever. Very messy. So we're going to try the Farberware compact oilless fryer on the recommendation of my IRL cooking consultant, Joette, over at Publix. So we're going to do an unboxing and cook up some chicken wings. Got this at Walmart the other day. It was 29 bucks. It was the only one they had. Well, actually they had a couple others, but those were like way over 100. I didn't want to go that high, so this is a nice small one or two person unit. Okay, instruction books. So we throw those. No, we put those over here. Okay. Plug, poly, recycle that. And okay, this out intact in the bag, and nothing else in the box. Okay, so plastic gets recycled, twist tie gets reused, and plastic plug cover gets recycled. Okay, heavy cord. Okay, so we got the gray one, apparently. Okay, heating, power, dial, temperature. Okay, not real precise temperature settings. One Joette got it was digital. Okay, timer. Okay, and here's our, we got tape on the base here. Okay, good, so that's off. Okay, there's your drawer. Okay, and that just pulls out very neatly, and we got a plastic bin in there, and I think that's probably a lift out. Oh, that's metal. Oh, okay, very tight fitting. That's interesting. This is got rubber gaskets around the edges. Okay, so there's our container. I don't know if I'm going to get my wings in there. I might have to double them up or something. Okay, and that just slides in and out, and that's your oven, as it were. So, I suppose I should read something. That'll get recycled. Right, compact oilless fryer, customer assistance. Okay, there's one of them 20 different language books. And, okay, this is a recipe. These are different recipes. Okay, coconut shrimp, french fries. Oh, steak. Okay, cilantro steak. That's that new thing they got at one of them restaurants that won't tell me if they're... Okay, sriracha chicken wings. 400 degrees for 15 to 30 minutes. I also read somewhere, or heard somewhere on one of the YouTube videos or something, you let it warm up for a few minutes anyway before you start. So I'm going to now prep my chicken wings. Ta-da! I'm going to shut up now and just get my chicken ready, and when we throw it in the oven I'll show you. Okay, so I got 7 chicken wings here, and now we'll rinse them in some purified water. It's partially dry. Well, those are some good looking wings. Okay. We're going to let them dry up for a while, and then we will take it from there. We're back. I've got the chicken all dried out. Now they said they want you to split the drumsticks and the flats, and then cook the flats 15 minutes and the drumsticks half an hour. But I'm not splitting them, so I'm just going to stack them in there. Hopefully I can get them all in there. It's my first time ever using an air fryer, so I'm not sure what's happening, how much coverage you get, if they can touch each other. But there's no way you can put anything in here without it touching each other, so no problem fitting them all in. I guess you can see that. Okay, so they're just sitting in there. Oh shoot, I was supposed to oil them first. One of the hints on this is to lightly oil them. Dump them back out. Okay, and we'll make a nice mess here. Just a coating, thin coating of oil. And now we'll take that and stick that in there. Oh, I suppose it helps if I plug this in. Ah! Duh. This is a power cord. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I've got that at 30 minutes at 400. You can hear the fan blowing. In half an hour, we will see how that does. I will say one thing right now. I've just started this up. It's been running a couple minutes, and I am smelling plastic burning. Not burning, but you know, hot plastic. I'm assuming that's probably the first time use gives off some of that stuff. So maybe you want to do a dummy cooking with this before you use it or something. It gets a little hot right around the middle there, but still touchable. So, okay. See you in half an hour. Okay, time's up. Let's see what we got. Woo! Wow! Look, can you see that? I hope you can see that. Those are nicely golden brown. Smelling fantastic. Let's see. I want to see the ones that were covered up. Okay, the ones that were covered up are not quite so golden brown. Okay, in other words, the one's making contact with something else. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give that another 5 minutes. I shook it up a little, get some of those other areas done. Okay, another 5 minutes has gone by, power was off. Okay, a little warm to the touch. I wouldn't want to pick it up right now, but not burning my hand either. Okay, and there we go. Look at those. Okay, those are looking good. Okay, hear that sizzle? We like that sizzle. Okay, so we shall now take the wings and dump them. Oh, there is a little oil in there. Okay, good. We'll dump them back in. Wipe out my container here. Aha. Okay, because remember I did put oil on them. And also there was some moisture in there, so that's probably some moisture too. So we shall dry rack these. Oh, but these are, looking and smelling good. Now, I will point out where there is skin-to-skin contact while they're cooking, it doesn't get as brown. Okay, you can see that one, but I'm not worried about it being fully cooked. And pour, so we can see how much came out of that. That's hot. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This is a stainless steel bowl, so it's transferring heat pretty quickly. Okay, not a whole heck of a lot. Can you see that? Water and fat came off of those. There are the wings. I'm going to let them cool a minute, drain a minute, and then I'm going to throw them in with some very mild buffalo sauce. But overall, I'd say this is a success. In a few minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer these to the bowl now. Okay, so there they are in the bowl. And we have this Texas Pete extra mild wing sauce. Pour some. Woo! Okay, that was a little more than I wanted, but what the heck? Oh yeah, let's smell that. Boom. Okay, there we go. There's my hot wings. We'll salt them up because I like salt. You know I like salt. Okay, we'll take that and we'll take our Kraft chunky blue cheese dressing for dipping. Okay, that ought to be enough. That ought to mess up my stomach all night. Next up, taste testing. Okay, first thing I'll say is that buffalo sauce is real good. Woo! Wow. I don't think that's extra mild. I just inhaled some and it burned. Okay, a little dip. Do a good dip here. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Yep. Mmm. 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 Ah, we have wings. Woo! Yeah. Wow. Okay, the wings came out great. There's some crispy to the skin. Cooked nicely inside. And that, I gotta say, that buffalo wing sauce I got, the extra mild there, that tastes like the real thing. That is good stuff. So a couple of things for you there. Air frying, unboxing. Hope you got something out of that. And feel free to put in the comments any suggestions on this air frying stuff, because that's brand new to me. Whew. Okay, I'm about halfway through those things. I'll take a little break here. That wing sauce is really good. Even though it's not hot, it's not exactly nothing. But real tasty, and the blue cheese, and the wings came out really good. Something I noticed, once I started getting into them off camera, to pick them up with two hands and really get in there and get a hunk of it. The chicken, the meat, thoroughly cooked, is very wet. I guess pros would call it moist. But I usually do my chicken up until it's like dry throughout it, because I want that crispy more. But this, I got the crispy skin with the air fryer. I got the crispy skin, and the inside is really, really moist, actually wet, which I'm finding very nice. It's almost like having a glass of water while you're eating it, only it's very tasty water. So I just wanted to add that in there. Okay. Happy to